Wait, hold on. Wait.
Oh, my lips are gonna take off now. Don't touch my pumpkin! Don't touch it!
Is it rain? What is it? Oh, you are too cute.
Make a video! Make a video!
Maida!
Make a video!
Get your head back on your side!
Who does this? Why would you do that? How am I supposed to get you out?
Yeah, bought a covered cat box so the dogs couldn't get in there. Mm-hmm. Oh, she's even modeling it.
Huh?
Are you telling me that you don't like it? Well, yeah, I know.
Hank, is that how your antlers go, pal? Is that how your antlers go? You not having a good time? Ooh, ooh.
What the hell are you staring at? It's just a wall.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
Gotta give it a banana. Here, do You like that?
Oh, you got it. No, you smacked it. Ew. Oh, shit!
It's attacking me!
I'm cold.
Oh my god. You're fine.
Can I get a oh yeah?
There's a fucking... Oh my god!
Yes, hello? Is this the vet? Oh yeah, for Sam? Yeah, I'll take her right now. Is she gonna get shot? Oh, she's gonna get 10 shots. Okay, I'll take her right now.
If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands.
Oh yeah, that's my fluffy toy. I know you didn't just throw. Did you just throw my fluffy toy, man? Oh, so that's what we doing? We throwing other people's stuff? Okay, well catch this. It ain't funny when I throw stuff you like, huh?
Phone's ringing. You need to answer that. I think it's a telemarketer. Come over and grab it. What do you say? Shut up!
I'm free, I'm free. Dang it.
You want me to pull it?
That's so tight, man.
Oh, are you okay? Are you okay? I got you. Mommy's got you. It's all right.
He said, what's that noise?
Oh my god.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Stay! He's so creepy! Get away from me! Get away from me!
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal. Because I can't.
Ah! Shit! Stop!
Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Hey, Rhino, we've been over this. Let go. Let go. Quit chewing on your cage. Come on.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
was cutting onions and the cat is sitting there like crying. Oh, you okay, darling? It's okay.
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh,
What did you just say?
Hazel. Are you high, bud? I think you might be high.
Woody. Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No, he's
Can I
sleeping.
pet that dog?
Hey, Zan.
You should have yes.
There's only one thing to do. 3 words for you.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Come on, Leon.
Dave? Leon, come here. Leon. Come here, bubbies. Come on, bubbies. Come on.
Why is it spicy?
Do it. Do it. You're a boat guy.
Are you good?
Coochie man.
Bye, Winston. Come here, dogs. You want a treat? Come here, you want a treat?
That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
Oh my god! Oh, Mom! That's what I thought.
That one dude, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Seat for a couple of hours, and oh.
And now all the birds are getting shot.
Hi. Hi. You get him?
Yeah.
Pointless to drive through here with no food, I know, but you are so handsome. Hi. Yeah, you're so handsome.
Go, go, bro, go.
Ha ha ha.